How you going? Richard from Offroad Touring Life. How good's this? Solar panels, got the fridge on charge, got the swag set up there on top of the stretcher there, and I'm camped on the Murray River. Got this awesome sandbar here. There's no one else on my side of the river. There is a couple camps on the other side. So it's Tuesday, it's 2:30 in the afternoon, the week before Melbourne Cup weekend. So I'm just here just to relax, put my feet up. I was tossing up whether to come here or into the Victorian High Country. I decided to come to the Murray. I do love getting up here as much as we can. So just for a bit of a change of scenery, just sit back and just take it easy. Alright, so for dinner tonight I'm going to have pizza. So I've got the cob underway there, got some heat beads in there, put probably about 7 or 8 heat beads. Already got the firelighters in there, so that'll be ready probably in about 15-20 minutes to put the pizza in. Pizza will take about another 20 minutes after that. It's almost 6:30, so I'm about to pop that in and sit back and have a nice pizza for dinner on the banks of the Murray River. How awesome is that? So just while the pizza's cooking there, I just want to thank everyone who's been subscribing to my channel and our channel with my family, and some of my friends have done some trips with us now as well. Almost got to 500 subscribers. When I first started out, I just sort of thought around 100 would be nice, that'd be just a nice number. But it's slowly been growing over that time, so just while that pizza's on the go, I just thought I'd give everyone a big thank you. So cheers and thanks for subscribing. I do really appreciate it. Righto, so there's the pizza. It's all ready. Cut it up, have some dinner. Took about 20-25 minutes to cook. Good morning. It's Wednesday morning. It's about 10 to 7. It's about probably 12 degrees. So this morning I'm just about to pop the billy on now. I'm going to make some breakfast and then I'll start making my way back towards home, probably around 9 o'clock. Now on the way back through, I'm going to drop into the small township of Devonish. There's painted art silos there. So So I'll drop in, check those out. Now this trip was just about heading out and relaxing. Headed off early yesterday morning, made my way up here, got this awesome sandbar all to myself, and just catching some sun and just relaxing. So a little bit different than my other trips, than just sort of moving around quite a bit, but this one is just all about just putting my feet up for a bit. So I'm about to get that billy on now and have a nice coffee before heading off. Alright, so I'm just going to wrap up this trip here. Now this campsite, it's just under 300 kilometres I've done each way. By the time I get home, I'll be rounding out just over, probably over 600 for the overnight trip. I just love getting out and about, especially up to the Murray River midweek. Only a couple of people I've seen around leading into the long weekend, so no doubt this place is going to be pretty chockers within the next probably 48 hours or so. But you know, awesome views, awesome river, just sitting up here just relaxing. So if you have liked what you've seen, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Or if you've got somewhere up here that you would like to me to check out, feel free to pop that in the comments below. This spot here is quite easy to get into, and you know, I'll be back here plenty more times in the future. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Cheers.